When I'm pressed for time, I like to make pasta dishes because they are quick and easy and the leftovers can be packed into lunch boxes. This chicken fajita pasta can be made in Instant Pot under 30 minutes. Hi, this is Sandhya and welcome to my kitchen. If this is your first time coming across my videos, consider subscribing to my channel to stay updated on the latest Instant Pot recipes. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. This is 1 pound of chicken breast. I'm gonna dice this into 1-inch cubes. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. You can use freshly minced garlic and salt, but I'm using this since this is available to me right now. This is 1 cup of Pepperjack cheese. I like my dish to be a little spicy, so I'm gonna top it off with this cheese, but you can use any cheese of your choice. This is half an onion diced, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 cups of milk. This is penne pasta, 1 cup. I have chosen the whole wheat penne pasta, just trying to be a little healthy with my choices here. And this is 1 bowl of peppers. I have used green pepper, red pepper and orange pepper just to add some color to my dish. All you need is 1 bowl of pepper, so you can choose any pepper of your choice. So now let's take a quick look at the Instant Pot settings. Turn on saute mode and wait for around 2 minutes for the inner pot to heat up. Once the inner pot is hot, add oil and wait for a minute for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add chicken. Add garlic salt at this point. Add the chicken and just saute for a couple of minutes. So I have added garlic salt at this point, and in the end I'm going to top it off with some Pepperjack cheese. Cheese itself has some salt in it, so be very careful when you're adding garlic salt. Even after you're done with the dish and you think you need some salt, you can even add it at that point of time. So you can notice the chicken has turned color. So at this point I'm gonna add peppers and onion into it. So I want my peppers to fry in the oil a little, so I'm making some space for them. At this point add peppers. And let it fry in the oil for a minute. Now add onions into the oil and let it fry. I have let the vegetables fry in the oil for around 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add my spices in. Add red chili powder. Add black pepper powder and give it a quick mix and coat them well. And at this point add the pasta and add in milk. Just gently mix it. And now I'm gonna close the lid. Turn off saute mode. Turn on manual or pressure cook and set to 5 minutes. Make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. When it comes to pastas, soups or lentils, Instant Pot recommends the pressure release naturally. So I have let the pressure release naturally and it's around 12 minutes now. and the valve is down. So now I'm gonna open the lid. This is perfectly done, and I'm gonna turn on saute mode and add in the cheese and saute it till the cheese melts. I have let it saute for around 5 minutes now, and it's ready to be served. It's at a good consistency.